Well, hello everybody. This is Gail at Ladyfingers Sewing, and we got a new shipment from Free Spirit. There were 3 boxes, and I didn't realize what was in the first one, so I already opened it up. Sorry about that, but we're going to show it off anyway. As you know, at Ladyfingers, we have a wide variety of fabrics here, and I really felt it was time to get some Morris & Company in the store. And of course, I chose the prettiest collection of all, called Grenada. So I'll start off with this one. It's a beautiful, rich, elegant, picture perfect fabric that will go with most home decor. It's obviously very British, very beautiful, and beautifully printed. Good job, Scott. Okay, next one. There's another piece. This is not a stripe really, it's just a nice motif that'll chop up very well. It has a nice mixture of olive and pink. Looks like it's on a black background. Really, really pretty. Next, a very elegant blue. Blue is in right now, and you can mix this with other collections, whether it's Free Spirit or maybe something from Edita Sitar. This would blend right in. And this is indigo. Next, a lovely pink and beige and green. I would call it a background fabric, really very pretty, called Jasmine in Blush. Next, this one is also Jasmine in Aqua. Very, very elegant. Okay, look at this bad boy. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh, wow. You know, we order these way in advance, so it's always a fun surprise when I get to finally receive them and open the boxes. And of course, everything looks different in person than online. This is Bluebell, part of the Grenada line as well. Absolutely wonderful. Next, we have Rosehip in Blush. Another rich, pretty print. Now we're getting into some big stuff. So this is, let me see if I can read it. This one is called Honeysuckle in Aqua. And I would call this the main print. This has beautiful deer and trees. It's very serene, very, very beautiful print called The Brook in Blush. And to me, this is kind of classic Morris too. So this one is Blackthorn in Charcoal. And we have Blackthorn in Indigo. This is a wonderful taupey pattern called Bramble in Charcoal. Okay, one more box to go. Okay, here's the last box from the Morris & Company Grenada collection. So here's the main print in a larger scale. So this is called the Brook. The other one was the Brook in small, and this is the Brook, and this one is this is considered burgundy. So these are all available in the store or, of course, online at ladyfingersewing.com. And let's see if I can read upside down. This is Honeysuckle in Cream. Classic Grenada, and this is the main print called Grenada in Indigo. And next to last we have Bramble in Indigo. Aren't these gorgeous? I'll find a good pattern for you. Perhaps we'll have another free pattern download for you to download when we send out our emails. So be sure to get on our email list at ladyfingersewing.com. Go to our website, and there's a green button at the bottom of the page where you can sign up for our email newsletters so that you find out all the latest happenings at Ladyfingers Sewing. Thanks for watching.